lot of workshops you go to, you have to figure it out on your own when you leave. Not this workshop.
These sessions will be totally interactive. They will not be lecture.
It's going to be an opportunity for us to engage in dialogue, collectively, learn from each other.
Participants can expect to be stretched no matter where they're coming from.
They should come with an open mind, eager to learn, willing to share with others.
They'll have opportunities to take some of the things that we share, take some time to plan, and apply what they're learning to their own unique context or situation.
When you go back to your school, you're going to be so excited because you can just hit the ground running. You can just immediately get started.
For more information and to register, please visit www.ascd.org, and we hope to see you in July.